F35B in the UK. Its first 4 aircraft arrived at RAF Marham in Norfolk, the base for the Lightning Force, on the 6th of June 2018.
Air-to-air, air-to-ground missions, electronic warfare and intelligence gathering simultaneously. It doesn't have to land and have to rearm different weapons, different bits. It can do all these missions all at the same time in a single sortie.
All of the UK's F-35 squadrons are joint RAF and Royal Navy. The commanding officer and the senior pilot alternate between the services, and the latest operational squadron on the type is a Navy Squadron 809 Naval Air Squadron, which reformed last December.